ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Refined Guitar Chops, number 6. Today I'm going to be showing some legato for you. This is one of the hardest techniques on the guitar, at least for me. So let's get started. So I got 3 notes again for you. Yes, 3 notes. E, D, and C. The pattern goes like this. One more time. So you can pick the first note, and the rest of the notes you simply pluck with your left hand. Or simply play the first note with a hammer-on. What is important here is to mute the strings you don't play. Otherwise it's gonna sound like... So... So this is how I'm muting the strings. Again. And this is what is happening behind the neck. You don't want this position or like this. This is exactly what you want. It's really hard to play like this. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching this video. You're great. And if you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comments below. You can also find me, of course, on my Facebook fan page. The link is also in the description. And I'll see you next time. Peace.